Welcome. We've been waiting for you guys.
Awesome.
We've been excited to meet you.
To make sure, guys. We got the red on now. We're here with, go and tell them who you are, man.
Kyle Kroom.
Kyle Kroom, speak up, please.
Kyle Kroom.
There we go. And we got Tim, of course. Now, you've allowed the Blendery to come in here, and it's like he's at work.
Yeah.
Digging in some barrels, man. This is
I'm always
crazy.
at work. Even when I'm on vacation, I'm doing the same shit.
Put in 3 hours behind the wheel, man. How often do you guys let other people come in and drill into your barrels?
Not very often.
I wouldn't imagine so. Why him?
We value his partnership.
I heard that. Now, what do you think? Did you get the trap balls?
Yeah. We just, the first two we drilled were awesome. Like, I already know we're buying some of those, bringing some of those back to Texas. But yeah, pretty cool. I don't know what, around third or fourth floor?
Fourth floor.
But I mean, you see the little plank. I don't know if you can.
Yeah, I got some.
We're walking out on that plank and finding little gems up here. So this is.
And you've never done this either, right?
Done what? Not here. Not here. No, this is the first time here.
Now, guys, we've got two more rick houses to go to.
We got two more. Yep.
Two more. Stay tuned, people. Man, we are literally drinking bourbon in the dark. Thanks, Chance. There you go.
This is still here. This suspension you see here, this is actually holding that 25,000 gallon water tub over our head. That big red tub is right over our head. It's a 44-foot, 54-inch still. That's our polish. You can see it better from over here, actually. Just top around from the bottom. We make a lot of whiskey fast. I wish I could show you that because it comes out. We've got 3 mash tubs. There's one over there you can't see. They're all 11,000 gallons each, roughly. At our height, we do about, I don't know, 400 something barrels a day. We do 450 a day. Average about 200 something barrels a day. We send it through the condensers to heat it up. That way we don't have to use steam to heat up the cooks on the cook side. So we're using hot water that's heated up by the condensers. Straight from the well to the condensers, into the hot water tank, and then we pump it into cookers. Mash tubs, whatever you want to call it.
This is whiskey after dark.
Whiskey in the dark.
Yes, sir.
Oh man, that's a great nose.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And this was how old?
This was put here in 2018.
Okay, so 7 years.
This is light whiskey, so it is distilled between 160 and 190.
Oh, there we go.
And
We got a dragon in here, so that speaks to his, warm his belly up.
yeah, I would say, it's going to be high proof. And it's usually in a used barrel or a non-charred barrel. We're just using used barrels for the light whiskey, but
Definitely a Kentucky hug, but like super
you might
sweet.
get altitude sickness
Yeah.
with that proof, but
Yeah.
but it should be good.
Yeah. Yeah. Does
Insurance is pretty sick.
Smells great.
Who knew wood could ever smell so good, right?
All right.
Sheesh.
All right, this will be y'all's. Everybody gets one to keep with our awesome logo on it.
Thanks, buddy.
We're going to reuse this a lot today.
Thank you.
Will you hand him out?
I got another box over there.
Perfect.
I'll give it to you.
Get out of the way. Let me get out of the way. Trev. Fill it up. Fill it up.
Bushwhacker's not one of
Buck's
them.
been looking for ages.
That's all right.
I'm not surprised.
Hey, you got the flashlight? That's just
Somebody got the flashlight.
Hey, who's got the flashlight?
Oh, there it is.
Never mind, it's in the bag.
Let's see what these guys are. Do we know mash bills on these?
You know what? I'm all right with that.
It's a Kelvin Cooper.
Local choice. Is that these all sold?
These are
Kelvin. Good one.
Tim.
These are? Yep. Man, you sniffed out the goodie
It
good.
is really cut.
Buck's been like a dog on the bone, man. Trying to find his way.
I don't think so.
These are so old, I don't have a mash bill on them, but I can get it. I'll just go hit it. 29. This is our 95.5, so 95.
Oh, yeah, that's cool.
Right.
95.5.
95.5.
It's already grown.
So we got that one.
If Steve could be here to try it out. We'll get it. This here is all for a partner single barrel program.
Oh, really?
So when they come in here, like after you select the barrels will come in here in these ricks and they get placed. So then after they get picked, then the customer will come in and select all all information gets documented here, and then we'll get picture places and stuff like that.
That's good.
like others I've seen where they're tied in the
But you got to make sure it's not the stuff above it dripping down on it. You know?
So when the wood itself on the whole barrel is tainted or different, yes.
Yeah, just make sure it's not coming from the outside. If it's coming from the inside, it's interacted with the wood a lot.
Yes.
Any, mini, mighty mo, man. Pick a barrel by its toe.
Let me grab those.
Need a glass, fresh glass somewhere?
It's not fresh.
We have a fresh one left.
Well, not fresh.
It's empty.
Yeah, empty.
empty.
Empty equals fresh around
Got a
here.
whole bunch of other stuff in there. There's a bunch of rye in there. not
There's a plug right there.
Great color on this one. Man, look at the color on that.
Yeah, looks good.
And is this still 21?
No, this is 78 1309.
13.
78 corn, 13 rye, 9 malt.
Oh,
It's not a standard mash bill anyway. Like we use it, but it's not a lot used everywhere else. Yeah.
Yes. Interesting. What you record? He's learning the ways of the samurai, man. It's so funny watching you guys.
Hang out with you long enough, I learned something. I even know how to hold the phone now. You want it? You want to borrow it?
Like, just don't make it obvious. Don't make it obvious, guys. We're recording here.
What was that barrel number in Cooperage?
it was 18 KO1, 5413. Cooperage is that.
Take over the pouring. What do you think?
Thoughts?
It's great whiskey, no doubt about it. Great whiskey. Man, I'm still thinking about the 95.5s. The color on it's better. That's the best color we've seen.
Like peanutty? A little bit?
A little peanutty. It's really well balanced though.
Right?
It's minimal peanut. Like,
I got a little bit on the nose. I'm sensitive to it. Like,
yeah.
but I like knobs.
Like an earthiness.
Like seeds, stuff like that. Like, so I call it, it's something else, but I call it peanut.
Caramel and like peanut shells.
You get to use the red. Is
You're
it
probably
rolling?
buying some of them. So.
Now,
Just gonna try one more as they come in.
just got into Green River. I mean, you've drank it before, but I'm saying like actually owning the barrels.
Yeah, Green
I'm letting you do your thing.
Green River's always been on the radar, but never like a priority. And we got some barrels in through a broker, not through you guys.
That's fine.
And I was
However you get 'em, how you get 'em.
I was super impressed with them. Like super impressed. Like without doing that, we wouldn't be here. And now that we're here, it's like, man, this is.
So how's it feel
This
to
is
be at the
awesome.
source then?
Oh, great. And to be able to do this is always fun. It adds to everything.
And you guys are watching literally live us drilling the barrels by way of their kindness and direction.
And there's something to be said of being in the actual rickhouses, seeing where the barrels have rested. Like, I mean, there's something to that. Because then I get a visual on it. So when I'm thinking of stuff, and like I'm a numbers guy, so when we start, throwing out those rick numbers, like I remember those. And then if I have good luck in certain areas, then when I rebuy, hey, what else you got near those? So this is helpful for me for long-term just understanding, because we document, like just like you guys are starting to document stuff, we document all that stuff. And so as we find more lots, and we usually like to pick new spots just at random, just to get data, even if they're not our favorite, like we'll blend with them, but it's fun to actually be here, be climbing out on the little boards. I'm surprised you even made it.
Hey, I climb trees still, man.
I saw you still had a hand on there, just in case the board fell.
Because I can hold myself up with one hand. That's my point. I said I climb trees. If something snaps, there's a gorilla grip on
you
that
wanna
thing.
try one more of these,
But
or
we're going
you
to try
good on
another
these?
barrel, guys. We can't thank you enough for just giving us an opportunity to dig in. And Tim's going to have perspective now moving forward. When you get more barrels, you say, no, I want them 95.5s on rack. Whatever.
For sure, absolutely.
And it's gonna keep you guys excited because so far everybody's happy. Be it the whiskey's great. No complaints.
We're gonna figure out what works well with certain barrels from certain areas.
Yeah.
And then that's gonna kind of be our go-to, because we've got a laundry list of certain things from MGP and other places, like this mash bill, this rickhouse, this floor, this cooperage pairs well with this, and we can do those things. We don't have that yet for here, but that's exciting to start unlocking those things. He probably knows more than I do. I should probably just have him send me the file.
12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Yeah.
See, look, let me see.
I think they're all the same day, so.
This is what I'm gonna do.
It's a 6 shot.